Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So in today's episode, I've got a question to you guys. Customer has brought in the phone. I did charge it. I did check if it stopped charging after that. So it's charged and it should work. But customer used a code on it, had some issues with the Wi-Fi or something. And it's a Samsung S21 Plus, and the code he used was for this model. It's compatible with this model. It's #*2662#. It will be in the description, in the title. That caused the shutdown. There was a service menu or something. He pressed that, phone went off and never came back to life. So the question is, if somebody knows what it could cause, is it maybe faulty Wi-Fi card and that's causing that? Because since then, when you're trying to power on the phone, it will just show you the Samsung and that's it. That's the phone. So it's looking like the boot sequence is stopping at one point. I did try to communicate with one of the softwares, but it's through the USB, and this is too slow, can't load anything and it's dying after. So I would say it's shorting probably the Wi-Fi card to the state that it can't power it on. If I will find a solution, I will put this on our blog at Inte.Team. But till then, I don't have a solution, so I'm googling, and the only thing what I've checked is that when code is triggered and there was a hardware issue with the device, particular component, like maybe the Wi-Fi card, so module, the whole module, because the component would be just one chip. Then if that thing is faulty, then can cause no power, because that's shorting to the ground, and that was the whole problem. So it wasn't the customer who triggered the issue with the phone, it was the original fault which was triggered, but because customer didn't reboot the phone till then, it wasn't live, it was sort of working. It had issues, but it was still working. So that's for me only logical sense. But I like you guys, maybe somebody smarter than me, because for me now I need to decide if I'm opening it and if I'm doing anything with it, or I'm giving it back to the customer, because that's what I see as an issue with this phone. So yeah, and I got only one similar model. I don't have exact the same model. So I need to speak to the customer as well, because if I won't have spare parts, maybe customer want to go to the specialist which is dealing only with these phones and have all the spare parts for them. For me, it's not a problem to repair it, but if I don't have spare parts and if I can't find spare parts because I'm not buying these faulty, then what can I do? Okay guys, so that's what I wanted to share with you. Hopefully somebody will have a better solution than I have. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.